What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a YouTube banner. This is going to be very easy. All you have to do is search in Google for YouTube banner. That way you can get an accurate size of what the banner is going to be. Once you get the banner, you go ahead and you upload it into PicsArt and you turn it all white, or whatever color you would like to make it. Once you have changed the entire banner into all white, you're going to go ahead and start to design it. I love palm leaves, so I go ahead and I add this palm leaf, and you could change how dark you want it to be. You could change how light you want it to be. Just look at the bottom so you could see exactly what I'm pressing and what I'm changing. So I added 2 palm leaves to that. Then I go ahead in my pictures and I insert this picture of me and my hair, and I cut it out. All you have to do is play around with it, and I try to do it as small as the initial picture showed the middle line. So I tried to do it as small as possible. Doing it too big, it won't fit in the frame. So try to do it as small as possible, but not too small. And kind of gauge it with your eyes and center it. Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and I add whatever little stickers I find that looks cute. So I went ahead and I added this one. My favorite color is pink, so why not? It has this in green, it has this in purple. It has lots of different stickers that you can use. So I go ahead and I make sure I put it near the middle, because that's where the banner is mostly adjusted to. And then I'm going to put my name there. You could play around with the fonts. I'm playing around with the fonts, trying to decide which one is going to look better. This one look cool, so I went ahead and I put that one. Try to use colors that are going to stand out. Try not to use colors that blend in with each other too much. And black is a pretty solid color that stands out, but if you want bright colors, you could definitely do that also. And I go ahead and I put my Jenny on the end, and kind of all of this is eyeball, guys. All of this is eyeball. You could go ahead and duplicate the words. That way it's the exact same thing. But like when you're resizing it and all of that, you're just looking at it. And if it looks close, then you just run with it. And then I am going to be adding some more palm leaves. Now this one I'm going to add an effect. So you're going to see what I clicked. The first one, the first effect, that's the one I clicked. So it changes the color of the palm leaf, makes it a really vibrant, pretty color. So I'm just going to use that. You won't see a lot of it in a frame. You'll only see it when you go on a desktop, so you'll see a good amount of the leaf, but on your cell phone or on your touchpad, you might then see the entire leaf. So I'm kind of putting it where I want it to be seen, you know, changing the size. Like I said, you have to play around with this thing, because I wasn't always good at it, but I played around with it for quite some time. So now I kind of have an idea of, you know, how to do certain things. So yeah, I'm just placing it wherever I think it looks cute. So right here looks about right. You like it? I think it's pretty. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and changing the thickness of this square. And I'm just going to use the square to kind of gauge where I want this banner to be centered. Like around right here, that's about the size. That's about the size, like right there. And as you can see, I'm doing it really small because the banner size is really small. So you have to do it small. If you do it too big, you won't see it. So you have to do it really small. And you could zoom in and zoom out if you're having a hard time seeing it, but that's how you do it. And then I just go ahead and add some extra little font. If you want to add subscribe for new videos every week, or subscribe now, lit videos coming soon. Whatever you decide to put on your banner, you go ahead and put that on there. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with the font, deciding how big or how small I want it to be, where I want to place it, if I want to place it on the top, on the bottom, I don't know. Okay, so I eventually decided to put it on the top. So I put it on the top and I changed the color. Nah, that don't look right. That does not look right. Okay, let's put it on the top. Okay, let's make it a little smaller. Then we're gonna change the font color, make it something bright. See, we're changing the color. Okay, that looks good. Yep, that looks good. Okay, and we're all done. And all you're gonna do is upload this to YouTube and you're pretty much done. This is my banner, guys. I hope you like it. You just click on that photo, go on your camera and adjust it to the center, and there you have it. Ta-da! Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. Bye, guys.